Welcome to the ultimate guide to experiencing Las Vegas in 2024. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, join us as we uncover the top 20 best things to do in Sin City. Explore the Neon Museum. Step into the Neon Museum and embark on a fascinating journey through the history of Las Vegas. This outdoor museum, nestled in the heart of downtown, serves as a repository for the city's iconic neon signs, each one a testament to a bygone era. As you wander through the collection, you'll be transported back in time, tracing the evolution of Vegas's vibrant signage culture. Indulge in Fremont Street. Dive into the electric atmosphere of Fremont Street and immerse yourself in the essence of old-school Vegas. Lined with vintage casinos, quirky shops, and neon-lit landmarks, this bustling thoroughfare pulsates with energy day and night. Explore the eclectic array of entertainment options, from live music performances to dazzling light shows that illuminate the overhead canopy. Sample local delicacies at food carts and sip cocktails at outdoor bars. While soaking in the vibrant ambience of downtown's most iconic street, dine at Eiffel Tower Restaurant. Elevate your dining experience to new heights at the Eiffel Tower Restaurant, where exquisite French cuisine meets unparalleled views of the Las Vegas Strip. Situated atop the Paris Las Vegas Hotel, this culinary gem offers a feast for the senses, with a menu that celebrates the finest flavors of France. As you savor each delectable dish, your gaze will be drawn to the panoramic vistas that stretch as far as the eye can see, providing a stunning backdrop for an unforgettable dining experience. Visit the Mob Museum. Step into the shadowy underworld of organized crime at the Mob Museum, where the fascinating history of Las Vegas unfolds before your eyes. Housed in a historic courthouse, this immersive museum invites visitors to delve into the murky world of mobsters, bootleggers, and racketeers through interactive exhibits and engaging multimedia displays. Learn about infamous figures like Al Capone and Bugsy Siegel. Explore the rise and fall of the mafia's influence in Sin City, and gain a deeper understanding of the forces that shaped the city's past. Take a gondola ride at the Venetian. Transport yourself to the romantic waterways of Venice with a gondola ride at the Venetian Resort. Drift along the picturesque Grand Canal in an authentic Venetian gondola, guided by a skilled gondolier who serenades you with traditional Italian songs. As you glide past charming bridges and elegant facades, you'll be swept away by the enchanting ambience of this Venetian-inspired oasis. Hike Red Rock Canyon. Escape the glitz and glamour of the Las Vegas Strip and reconnect with nature amidst the breathtaking beauty of Red Rock Canyon. Located just a short drive from the city, this stunning conservation area boasts towering crimson cliffs, winding hiking trails, and panoramic vistas that will take your breath away. Lace up your hiking boots and set out to explore the diverse landscape, from towering sandstone formations to hidden waterfalls and ancient petroglyphs. Catch a show at the Smith Center. Immerse yourself in the world of performing arts. Located in the heart of downtown, this architectural masterpiece hosts a diverse array of world-class performances, from Broadway musicals and ballets to symphony concerts and opera productions. Step inside the elegant Art Deco theater and be transported to a realm of creativity and expression, where the talents of renowned artists come to life on stage. Sample cocktails at the Chandelier. Indulge in a sensory experience like no other at the Chandelier, a dazzling cocktail bar nestled within the heart of the cosmopolitan Las Vegas. Step into this multi-level crystal wonderland and prepare to be mesmerized by its shimmering allure. Sip on expertly crafted cocktails made from premium spirits and innovative ingredients, each one a masterpiece of mixology. Explore the Arts District. Unleash your creativity and explore the vibrant artistic community of Las Vegas's Arts District. Located just minutes from the Strip, this eclectic neighborhood is a hub of creativity and culture, boasting an array of galleries, studios, boutiques, and eateries. Browse unique shops selling handmade crafts, vintage clothing, and eclectic home decor, or grab a bite to eat at one of the district's trendy cafes or restaurants. Feast at Lotus of Siam. Treat your taste buds to an unforgettable culinary journey at Lotus of Siam, a beloved Las Vegas institution renowned for its authentic Thai cuisine. Located off the Strip in a nondescript strip mall, this hidden gem has earned accolades from food critics and travelers alike, earning a reputation as one of the best Thai restaurants in the country. Experience High Roller Observation Wheel. Soar to new heights and take in breathtaking views of the Las Vegas Strip aboard the High Roller, the world's tallest observation wheel. Towering 550 feet above the glittering skyline, This iconic landmark offers unparalleled vistas of the city's most famous landmarks and attractions. Step into one of the spacious observation pods and embark on a 30-minute journey around the wheel, marveling at the dazzling lights and panoramic vistas that stretch as far as the eye can see. Visit the secret pizza at the Cosmopolitan. Embark on a culinary adventure and uncover a hidden gem at the Cosmopolitan of Las Vegas, Secret Pizza. Tucked away on the third floor of the resort, this unassuming pizzeria delights hungry travelers with its delicious New York-style slices and retro-chic ambience. Follow the tantalizing aroma of freshly baked dough down a nondescript hallway adorned with vintage album covers, and you'll discover a cozy slice of pizza heaven waiting to be savored. Marvel at the Bellagio fountains. Prepare to be dazzled by one of Las Vegas's most iconic attractions, the Bellagio fountains. Situated in front of the luxurious Bellagio Hotel and Casino, this mesmerizing water feature captivates audiences with its spectacular choreography of water, music, and light. Watch in awe as hundreds of fountains dance and sway in perfect harmony to a symphony of classical and contemporary tunes, creating a breathtaking spectacle that unfolds against the backdrop of the iconic Las Vegas skyline. Shop at the Forum Shops. Indulge in a world of luxury and sophistication at the Forum Shops at Caesar's Palace, Las Vegas' premier shopping destination. Step into this opulent retail paradise and prepare to be dazzled by its grandeur and elegance. From high-end fashion boutiques and designer stores to upscale dining venues and entertainment options, the Forum Shops offer a curated selection of the finest brands and experiences. Stroll along marble-lined walkways adorned with ornate statues and fountains, pausing to admire the stunning architecture and exquisite craftsmanship that define this iconic shopping destination. Attends à Cirque du Soleil show, immerse yourself in a world of wonder and enchantment with a mesmerizing performance by Cirque du Soleil, the world-renowned circus troupe known for its breathtaking acrobatics, stunning visuals, and captivating storytelling. From the gravity-defying feats of O to the mesmerizing mystique of Mystère and the electrifying energy of Michael Jackson 1, Cirque du Soleil offers a diverse array of shows that showcase the extraordinary talents of its performers. Step into the theater and prepare to be transported to a realm of imagination and possibility, where dreams become reality and the impossible becomes possible. Savor brunch at Yardbird. Treat yourself to a leisurely brunch experience at Yardbird's Southern Table and Bar, where Southern hospitality meets modern culinary flair. Located in the bustling Venetian resort Las Vegas, this beloved eatery offers a menu of classic Southern comfort food with a contemporary twist. Served in a warm and inviting atmosphere, indulge in indulgent dishes like chicken and waffles, shrimp and grits, and biscuits smothered in savory gravy, paired with refreshing cocktails and freshly brewed coffee. Discover Container Park. Embark on a whimsical adventure at downtown Container Park, a vibrant shopping and entertainment destination built entirely from repurposed shipping containers. Nestled in the heart of downtown Las Vegas, this unique outdoor complex features a diverse array of boutiques, eateries, and attractions, all housed within colorful containers stacked to create a dynamic urban playground. Explore the eclectic mix of shops selling everything from handmade jewelry and artisanal crafts to vintage clothing and gourmet snacks, or grab a bite to eat at one of the park's trendy food trucks and eateries. With its lively atmosphere and quirky charm, Container Park offers a one-of-a-kind experience that's sure to delight visitors of all ages. Take a day trip to Hoover Dam. Embark on an unforgettable journey to Hoover Dam, one of the greatest engineering marvels of the modern world. Located just a short drive from Las Vegas, this iconic landmark stands as a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance, harnessing the power of the mighty Colorado River to provide electricity and water to millions of people. Take a guided tour of the dam and marvel at its sheer size and architectural grandeur. Learning about its fascinating history and significance along the way, stand atop the dam's towering crest and gaze out at the breathtaking expanse of Lake Mead below, or venture into the depths of the power plant to see its massive turbines in action. A day trip to Hoover Dam promises an enriching and memorable experience. Dine at by José Andrés. Embark on a culinary odyssey at by José Andrés, an intimate dining experience like no other. Tucked away within the luxurious confines of the cosmopolitan Las Vegas, this exclusive restaurant offers a multi-course tasting menu crafted by acclaimed chef José Andrés, showcasing the finest ingredients and culinary techniques from around the world. Settle into the intimate dining room and prepare to be dazzled by a procession of inventive dishes that push the boundaries of flavor and presentation. each one a masterpiece of gastronomic artistry. With its impeccable service, elegant ambience, and unparalleled culinary creativity, it by José Andrés promises a dining experience that's truly unforgettable. Enjoy a helicopter tour of the Strip. Soar above the glittering lights of the Las Vegas Strip and take in breathtaking aerial views of the city's most iconic landmarks with a helicopter tour. Departing from the heart of Sin City, these exhilarating flights offer a unique perspective on the bustling metropolis below, showcasing its dazzling skyline, world-famous resorts, and majestic desert surroundings. Fly past towering skyscrapers and neon-lit casinos as your pilot narrates the sights below, pointing out landmarks like the Bellagio fountains, the Stratosphere Tower, and the iconic Welcome to Fabulous Las Vegas sign. As we conclude our exploration of the best of Las Vegas in 2024, we hope you're inspired to embark on your own adventure in this dynamic city. From neon-lit streets to gourmet delights and breathtaking entertainment, Vegas offers an unforgettable experience for every traveler. So go ahead, let the excitement begin. We hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you'd like to see more content like this or have suggestions for places you'd like us to review, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for updates on future videos. Until next time, happy travels!